Navigating the time limits on debt collection.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be addressing a crucial question many of you may have. Can creditors still attempt to collect unpaid debt after 7 years? The answer to this question can greatly impact your financial stability and credit score, so let's dive in.
Understanding debt collection.
First things first, let's get a clear picture of what debt collection involves. When you owe money to a lender or creditor, and you fall behind on your payments, that debt can be turned over to a debt collection agency. These agencies or third-party collectors then take over the task of getting you to pay what you owe.
The 7-year rule. What does it mean?
The 7-year rule is a term often associated with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, in the U.S., which states that most types of negative information can only stay on your credit report for 7 years. This includes late payments, debt collections, and certain public records like bankruptcies. However, it's important to note that the 7-year rule applies to credit reporting, not debt collection. This means that after 7 years, the debt will no longer show up on your credit report, but it does not mean the debt is forgiven or that collectors can no longer attempt to collect it.
Can creditors still collect after 7 years?
The answer is yes, they can. However, there's a catch. Each state has what's called a statute of limitations on debt, which sets a limit on how long creditors have to sue you for unpaid debt. These time limits vary from state to state and depend on the type of debt. If the statute of limitations has expired, the debt is considered time-barred, and you can't be sued for it. However, be aware that the debt does not disappear and collectors may still attempt to collect it from you. They just can't take you to court over it.
What should I do if a creditor tries to collect an old debt?
If you're contacted about a debt that's older than 7 years, or you believe is time-barred, do not make a payment or acknowledge the debt until you've verified it. Doing so could potentially restart the clock on the statute of limitations. Instead, ask for a written validation notice to confirm the debt is yours and isn't beyond the statute of limitations in your state. In conclusion, while creditors can attempt to collect unpaid debt after 7 years, the rules surrounding this practice are complex and vary by location and type of debt. If you're dealing with old debt, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or attorney to understand your rights and obligations. We hope this video has helped clarify this complex topic, and we wish you all the best in navigating your financial future.